Assalamualaikum and hi. So in this video I will explain on intersection point of two lines. Okay, so basically the intersection point is the point where two or more lines met. To determine the intersection point, basically there are two ways. Okay, either using the substitution method or elimination method. Okay, so there are two ways: substitution or elimination. Okay, substitution means you will replace, eliminate, you will, in bahasa, awak akan hapuskan. Okay, hapuskan maksudnya kita akan buat operasi, biasanya kita akan buat operasi tambah atau tolak. Okay, so first, let me sketch two lines. Okay, let's say this is your coordinate system, x, y, the 0 point. Okay, when we are talking about two lines, it can be maybe two intersecting line. Okay, maybe this way. Okay, so you can see this is the intersection point. Okay, this is the intersection point. Or you can also have but if you have parallel lines, there's no way you can find any intersection point. Okay, there is no intersection point between two parallel lines. Okay, so we are basically discussing about this kind of graph. Okay, first let's look at this example. Let's say you are going to consider y equals to x plus 4 and 2y equals to x plus 5. Okay, find the intersection point. Find the intersection point. Okay, so for now we will do substitution method. Okay, in substitution method means okay, as you can see we have two linear functions. So let's name the first one as equation 1. Maybe you can write one more time. Okay, so you name this as equation 1, and then x plus 5, equation 2. Okay, I will write 1 into 2. Okay, I purposely write 1 in circle and 2 in circle like this to distinguish that this means equation number. Okay, this is equation number, not regular number. Okay, so replace 1 into 2 and you will get, okay, what is 2? 2 is 2y. Okay, 2y. In the place of y we can replace 2x plus 4 because in equation 1 we have y equals to 2x plus 4. Okay, and then equals to, we continue writing the rest of the equation 2. X plus 5. And then we can solve for x plus 8, x plus 5, and then 3x equals to negative 3, x is negative 1. Okay, and then you can write here into 1. Okay, and actually you can also replace back this value into 2. Okay, because regardless of the equation, you should get the same answer. Okay, so in 1, you will get y equals to 2x. 2x, x is negative 1 plus 4. So y is 2. So the pair x comma y is negative 1 comma 2. And you can check that if you replace back x and y in any of the equation, you will get left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, let's do this very quickly. Okay, negative 1 comma 2. So on the left hand side, we have 2. Okay, we have 2. Because y is 2. And then if we insert x negative 1, so this is 2 negative 1 plus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So you can see that left hand side is equivalent to right hand side. And you can do the same for equation 2. Okay, you can check that left hand side will be equivalent to the right hand side. Okay, that's substitution method. I'll stop that for now. For elimination method, I will do another video. Thank you so much. Okay, so now I will show you how to use elimination method to find intersection point of two lines. Okay, so let's use same equations. Okay, these two equations, but this time we will use elimination method. Okay, so equation 1, okay, so this is elimination method. Equation 1, y equals to 2x plus 4, and then 2y equals to x plus 5. Okay, so this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. In elimination method, we are required to find one of the variable and eliminate the variable. Okay, let's say I'm going to eliminate y. Okay, but how to do that? In order to eliminate y, I need to multiply the first equation by 2. So I will get 2y. Okay, so I will multiply equation 1 by 2. When I say multiply by 2, we will multiply for the whole equation. So on the left and also on the right. So on the right times 2, 4x plus 8, and this will be our maybe we can rename this as equation 3. Okay, now we can eliminate 2y. We can eliminate 2y in equation 3 and in equation 2. How can we eliminate y? We will use subtraction. So equation 3 minus equation 2. So that 2y minus 2y. Okay, 2y minus 2y, 0. equals to 4x minus x, 3x, and then positive 8 minus 5, and that's 3. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3. And then we can solve for x. 3x equals to negative 3. X is negative 1, just like before, right? The answer is the same as the one when we use substitution method. Okay, once you have the x value, you can simply replace back this into 1 or 2, no problem. Okay, let's say we will replace this into 1. So from equation 1, we will get y equals to 2x. X is negative 1 plus 4. Y is 2. Okay, and we will get the same answer as before, which is negative 1, 2. Okay, so for elimination method, I would say we only required to eliminate during for the first variable only. Okay, for the first variable only. In my example, I was trying to eliminate y. Okay, maybe you can work on your own. How are you going? What are you going to do in order to eliminate x? Okay, you can test your understanding by doing that. Okay, but as you can see, once you get one of the value, okay, once you get either x or y, you can simply replace into any of the equation to get another value. Alright, I hope you learned something and you will work on more questions on finding intersection point of two lines. Alright, thank you so much.